Hello students, and welcome to lesson 4.2. We're going to start off with the base angles theorem, which says that if triangle ABC is isosceles and AB is congruent to AC, then angle B is congruent to angle C. Okay, so angle B and angle C are called base angles. Angle A is called the vertex angle. Okay, we call sides AB and AC legs. So this is a leg and this is a leg. And so that was AB and AC, and BC is called the base. So it's important that you know this vocabulary because sometimes you won't be given a diagram and you might just be told the vertex angle of an isosceles triangle is this measure. You need to know which angle that is. Okay, if you could be given a measure of a base angle, you need to know that you have two base angles that are congruent, and so on. Next we have the converse of the base angles theorem, which if you remember, the converse is where we interchange or switch the hypothesis and conclusion. So this theorem says that if ABC is isosceles and angle B is congruent to angle C, then side AB is congruent to side AC. The perpendicular bisector theorem. If a line or line segment bisects the vertex angle of an isosceles triangle, then it is also the perpendicular bisector of the base. So if you're given this, okay, as long as it has the same marking, we know that these two angles are congruent, which means that this angle is being bisected. If I'm given that, then I also know that this segment is perpendicular and it's also bisecting the base. Equilateral triangles. So if a triangle is equilateral, then it is also, it is also equiangular. So if it is equiangular, then it is equilateral. Which means this could be written as a biconditional. So I'd like you to try these two problems. Pause the video, and when you're done, come back and we'll compare solutions. Okay, let's see how you did. So for problem number 1, hopefully you found that x is equal to 7, but make sure you're always reading your question and getting that final answer. We're not just finding the value of x, we're not just finding the lengths of the sides, we want the whole perimeter, which you should have found to be 98 inches. For question 2, here we are just finding the values of x and y. So hopefully you got y equal to 5 and x equal to 37/9. If you didn't, be sure to ask in class if you're stuck on what you did wrong. So that actually concludes this lesson. This was a short one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in class. Have a good day.